How to buy Bitcoin on Gemini. Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how you can buy Bitcoin on Gemini. So in order to buy Bitcoin on Gemini app, now if you're using a mobile device or an application, the procedure is gonna remain the same. All you need to do is just follow the instruction as guided. Now then, to begin with, first thing first, log in into your Gemini account. Once logged in, it's going to take you to the home page that's going to look something like this. So while you're on this page, go ahead and tap on your profile icon. After that, a drop down menu appears. From the list, you need to go ahead and tap on bank settings. So before you buy Bitcoin on Gemini app, make sure that you've already selected or added a bank account. If not, go ahead and select the bank account and then add it to your Gemini app. After you're done adding the bank account, once again, head over to your home screen or home page, and from here you'll need to go ahead and select buy from the top left hand side corner. After that, select Bitcoin to USD or Ethereum whatsoever, and after you've done selecting that, on the other interface you'll be taken to the trading page. So here you need to go ahead and select the buy button located right at the bottom. So after that, it's going to take you to this page where you need to go ahead and select the currency pair, and then you also need to select the order type, your quantity, the total amount, and once you're done confirming all of these details, click buy button located right at the bottom for the confirmation. Sometimes you might be asked to provide in the password associated with your Gemini app. Once you're done providing the information, and then you've successfully bought Bitcoin on Gemini app. So in this way you can buy Bitcoin on Gemini app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.